The Delta 46-460 delivers professional-grade MIDI lathe performance with impressive 12.5-inch swing capacity and electronic variable speed control spanning 250 to 700, 600 to 1,800, and 1,350 to 4,000 revolutions per minute across 3 selectable ranges, enabling optimization for diverse turning projects. A powerful 1-horsepower motor combined with 120V single-phase operation provides robust power suitable for intensive bowl turning and substantial spindle work without requiring industrial 3-phase electrical infrastructure. The patented belt tensioning system facilitates rapid speed changes while automatically establishing correct tension, maintaining maximum power transfer and extending component longevity. The electronic variable speed technology ensures smooth acceleration without jarring startup movements characteristic of mechanical alternatives, delivering superior control and reducing component stress. We share by links in description box. The reversible function enables forward and backward rotation, supporting superior finishing techniques, sanding against grain cuts wood fibers smooth while rotating against traditional grain direction achieves premium surface quality. The comprehensive 24-position indexing enables fluting and decorative applications requiring precision angular positioning. The included comprehensive accessory package encompasses 3-inch faceplate, 6-inch tool rest, 10-inch tool rest providing diverse working positions, spur center, live center, and supporting hardware. The optional bed extension model 46-463 expands capacity to 42 inches, enabling extended spindle work without lathe bed limitations. The all-cast iron construction provides exceptional mass and stability, eliminating vibration throughout all speed ranges, maintaining consistent turning precision. The overhead on/off switch facilitates ergonomic control and emergency shutdown accessibility. The Exceptional Editor's Choice Award recognition from Tool Guide demonstrates professional quality and real-world performance validation. The outstanding value combining MIDI-sized capacity, electronic variable speed, reversible operation, and exceptional stability establishes this lathe as outstanding choice for serious professionals.